going to change the treads out for the more aggressive winter treads.
Emergency stop.
Want it to roll over onto the antenna here. I'm going to put a brace, make sure we don't fall back. You end up with a lot of debris down inside there. And it gets that grease on it. Need the bigger Allen key for this one, Allen key number 3. And this tool to release the tension. And then this should just release off the wheel. Turn it as you go. It comes off. And we'll clean that up in a few minutes. Again, pull some mess out. A lot of greasy, gross chunks. Tracks. The recommendation is forward position of the Yarbo. The flat side forward is what they recommend. Position between on the wheels, and these already have grease on them from the factory. And should be able to do the same in reverse. It looks like it's back in the right position. Plate not down. It's on. Install your plate. Faster if you use power tools, but it's not very difficult. And instead of risking ruining any threads, just use the hand tools in my recommendation. Should be the metal plate for the winter studs, winter tracks. No chances on those antennas though. Don't want to take any of those chances. loosen this to allow it to slide. I need to actually take the knot off. Flat side is supposed to go forward according to Yarbo. And there's already grease on the tracks. And the track there. Gently turn, push down, and you're in place. Put the plate back on. It's back in, lock this down. Flashing lights up here. If they don't stop flashing, it doesn't connect. I powered off, controller off. Back on, wait for the flashing lights to stop. Now it should work. Alright, let's see. Kind of curious what that looks like on the grass.